In Creo 12, you can now export groove welds for offline programming using the XML file format. This capability expands the work we previously did that supported fillet welds in previous releases. To demonstrate this, let's use a simple example to create a groove weld. We support any type of groove weld possible with Creo for this export capability. Here we will choose a U-groove and change the type to a solid weld so we can see it more clearly. Next, I just need to select Info and Export, and this provides me with the option for XML, which I will choose. Then I can verify this XML data by looking at it with a text editor. Here I can see my groove weld in the file and the necessary parameters and robotic welding information for the start and stop locations. This capability helps customers with offline programming needs to now export groove welds to XML and use this data downstream in manufacturing.